got a question, if yx is equal to a e raised to power bx plus c is a solution of differential equation this. We don't know differential equation and we need to calculate the order. In such cases, what do? We form the differential equation and then we tell the order and degree, whatever we need. But if we need to tell the order and if we know general solution, then how can we calculate the order? By this short trick. Number of independent arbitrary constants is equal to order of differential equation. Okay, so for that we have this solution e raised to power bx plus c, and we just saw that we can write it like this: e raised to power c, e raised to power bx. That means c1 e raised to power bx. Now c1 and b are independent arbitrary constants because c1 and b are not reducible. So we should, for telling the order in the solution, we should have independent arbitrary constants. Okay, don't do the mistake that just by seeing the differential equation, seeing the solution, you are telling the order. Don't say the order is 3 because it has 3 constants. We should have independent arbitrary constants. Okay, so order is 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so we can check it also. How we will check it? How? So we have this solution a e raised to power bx plus c, or we can write it c1 e raised to power bx. In such cases, what do? We form the differential equation. And what is the method of differential equation? Forming the differential equation. Differentiate it 1 time c1b e raised to power bx. Differentiate it 2 times because it has 2 constants, c1b square e raised to power bx. Okay. Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Divide 1 by 2. Y by y dash is equal to 1 by b. Similarly, y dash by y double dash is equal to 1 by b. Divide 2 by 3. Now, equating 4 and 5, you can say 4 and 5. Equating 4 and 5, we get both of these are equal to 1 by b. So, y upon y dash is equal to y dash upon y double dash. So, we got y dash is equal to y dash square. This is the required differential equation, and we can clearly see that order is 2 here. Highest order differential derivative is 2 here. So order is 2 here and degree is 1 because power of this is 1. So by forming we can tell order and degree, and by this short trick we don't need to calculate. Just see what number of independent constants and you can tell the order. I hope you are getting it. If you are getting it, then please subscribe to my channel